Hello everybody. So I'm on my way to pick up the truck. It's ready. They called me the day before, and yesterday I called them back and say what's going on. Then they say it's ready. So I'm on my way to pick it up right now, and I'm gonna show you guys what's going on. I'm gonna try my best to record everything. All right. So here's the car. Here's the truck, I mean. This is the tire. Still see some fluid right there. Bolts. Look like it changed the new nuts. Over here, I believe also. Okay, so let's go inside. So apparently, I thought they still open on Saturday. So today is Saturday. They left early today, so there's nobody in service right now. So I have to come back on Monday to pick it up. But this is the truck. Look like they wash it. Let's see what happened here. What is this thing? Oh, I haven't. Why did this come out? It's not even. There's a gap there. I didn't see that. Okay, no gap. Okay, so this was the area. Alright, so we just have to come back on Monday. So I just got the truck back from the dealership, but I'll explain it to you more when I get to a stopping point and when I have time today. But I'm doing a test drive right now. Take it to the freeway and see what's going on. It should be okay, but I just want to take a ride on it. So freeway right now. Okay, so I brought the truck back home. I took it out for a test drive, and I drove it back home, park it here, and I just want to explain to you guys what's going on. So I did get the truck back just about a week, over a week. Technically it's about a week, but I waited. I couldn't pick it up on Friday, or Saturday, so I picked it up on Monday. Today's Monday. So I picked it up, and the service manager explained to me what happened and everything. He showed me the picture, what was replaced. So the whole axle. I'll show you guys the picture of it. What Toyota sent the dealership of originally they told him that they were gonna send all the pieces for him to put back together. But they decided to send the whole thing. So, which is make it quicker. So that's why I got a truck back within about a week. So I'll show you guys the pictures. So I'll show you guys around the truck, see what's going on. So this was the wheel. This is still the old one, but they replaced. See how they clean it all up. Let's see where it's going. Let's see some more. In there. So I did notice this is a Michelin tire, a spare tire. So they replaced the whole thing, the brake assembly and everything. Replace this whole thing. The brakes over there too. So back to what happened is that the whole process, the dealership is the local dealership here is great. I mean, they so I took it in, drop it off. They call me and say, from last video, they explained to me what's gonna happen. But the following week, on Thursday, they call me and say, hey, we have the parts, we're gonna install it. You probably gonna get your truck by tomorrow. They're just waiting on one more thing, which is some kind of wire, but they have it shipped overnight, so they're gonna have the truck by Friday, tomorrow, which is Friday. So I'm like, okay, that's pretty quick. So they called me back on Friday and said the truck is ready to pick up, but I couldn't pick it up on Friday, so I couldn't pick it up on Saturday either, so I picked it up today, which is Monday. So yep, I did call Toyota corporate to see what's going on. Even though I got my truck back, I'm not confident about the parts being replaced and what's gonna happen to my transmission or anything like that related to it later on the road after 60,000 miles. So I'm waiting to hit them back and see what's going on. But other than that, the dealership isn't great. I mean, the only time that I spoke to them was, hey, we're gonna get your truck fixed, and we got your truck fixed. That's pretty good, but there's no complaint there. I mean, they handle it like it's supposed to be, and they did gave me a loaner. They gave me a RAV4, so I drove that for about a week. So that was pretty okay. I'm sorry I have to interrupt the video just to clarify a few things before the video is complete. But so what happened is they explained to me that the rear axle is replaced. So this is right here is the report what I have done. So let me read it out to you guys. Okay, so right here. Technician states replace axle assembly, differential with complete rear axle unit, replace brake lines and wire harness on right side, perform brake bleed on vehicle, clean oil from vehicle, perform road test to confirm repair. So that's the one. Yeah, and they explained to me that corporate did send out a field technician. At first it was an engineer, and they also said that a field technician, which is from corporate, the high end of it, and they did came now and took a look at it and replaced the whole rear axle for me. So I just want to fill that in. Also, another thing that I should mention is the truck. When I got it, I drove it back. So all this 3,000 miles, I noticed a lot of a vibration when I put in park or at a red light. I would feel the vibrations sitting there, just idling, you know, and I can see the passenger seat shaking, you know, shaking, and the water bottle. If you have a water bottle, you can see it. The water just shakes, vibrates. That was something that's annoying, but I feel like something I should tell the dealership where I purchased it from. I did tell them that, and I also did tell the dealership where I got my local dealership where I got it fixed. I did tell them that before all the stuff happened. I did had an appointment with them before that. So, but now when the axle is replaced, I noticed less vibration. So, because I drove the previous generation of the Tundra before, so I noticed there was no vibration on the other Tundras, but this one I feel it. But now after this fix, it's less vibration now, and I'll do more videos about the truck that I like and disliked. So I'll keep you guys update if I hear back anything from Toyota. But for now, I have my truck back. I'm driving it.